And the Coast Guard braces for an incoming weather disturbance. It advises fishermen and sea travelers in areas likely to be affected not to venture in open seas. Meanwhile, the Coast Guard has received several road assets. Again, here's Noel Perfecto.
10 cargo trucks and 3 4-door sedans were inaugurated by newly installed Coast Guard Commandant Admiral Rodolfo Izorena at the main headquarters in Port of Manila. According to Admiral Izorena, the new equipment will be helpful as it will provide additional service to those who are in need, especially during floods and other calamities. Admiral Izorena was also thankful for the newly acquired assets.
Tuwan-tuwa talaga ako kasi nga napakaganda ng suporta binibigay ng national government sa Philippine Coast Guard. If you can see, ito na, nagdaratingan na yung mga bagong kagamitan ng Philippine Coast Guard. Dumating na itong bagong 10 counter truck. May kasunod to ng 15 M35 trucks. And as you can see, may dinonate sa atin yung General Insurance na 3 Innova. Masusundan din to ng 39 na units pa ng Innova na bibilhin pa rin ng Philippine Coast Guard.
The agency is reported to have received armed support, which Izorena was thankful for. Meanwhile, with the looming weather disturbance in the country, which will hit the country anytime, he once again reminded all fishing vessels to adhere to the advisories given by the Philippine Coast Guard to prevent any sea accidents or mishaps.
Ngayon may papasok na low pressure area. Nagbigay na tayo ng advisory sa ating mga districts and stations na maapektuhan ng low pressure area. In fact, may instruction na ako na makipag-coordinate sa mga barangays na wag nang payagan munang dumaot yung mga maliliit na bangka, o especially yung mga mangingisda.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.